Hello friends and welcome back to another video. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year 2023. Today I am going to share with you another people leaf skeleton art, but in this art I have used another technique which is easier to do than painting directly on the people leaf. I have already uploaded one people skeleton art and I had created a scenery in that, and I had directly painted on the leaf skeleton, but over here I am going to be using a piece of chart paper to create this Lord Ganesha drawing, which is an easier method. And how to create the people leaf skeleton I have already shown in my previous video. I'll put that as the end screen. First you need to take a piece of chart paper and put it on the people leaf and take the rough shape and draw within that shape itself so that the Ganesha image does not exceed the people leaf skeleton that you have. And once you are done with the pencil drawing, just fill in the outline using a black marker pen, and finally you can color off the drawing. You can use your favorite colors to color in the drawing, and I have used over here tinges of blues and violets, so that is what I have done. And once the image is done, all you need to do is cut it off and stick it on the people leaf after painting it a little bit, as you will be seeing in the video. So this is the end of the voiceover now. I hope you like this very easy people skeleton leaf art method, and now I leave you to enjoy this speed painting. Do leave a thumbs up if you like this very easy peepal leaf skeleton art. You can frame this up or you can convert it into a card if you want to. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this very easy peepal leaf skeleton art, and thanks for watching.